Hi, hello, welcome back to Math&Me with me, Nikhila Sankar. So, moving on to exercise 5.1, question number 8. Inime no more markers, okay, only in the whiteboard. So, do let me know if you have any suggestions, if you have any problem understanding the question, do let me know in the comment section below, okay. So, let's move on to question number 8, okay. So, first, let us see what the question says. So, you have find all the points of discontinuity of f, where f is defined by f of x equals mod x divided by x. So in the option kuduthirukka, I'll zoom in for you. Okay, so this is your first page. So first, what is our first step? நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? So first we'll rewrite the function. So I have f of x is equal to mod x divided by x இருக்கு. I'm going to split this in terms of wherever x is less than 0, where x is equal to 0 and where x is greater than 0. இப்போ less than 0 na என்ன பண்ணலாம்? We have mod x to be equal to plus x when x is greater than 0 and minus x when x is less than 0. Correct? In the ரெண்டு cases இருக்கா? For mod x. So what am I going to do? For the first case, it is going to be mod x என்ன ஆகும்? X less than 0 na, it is going to be minus x divided by x, which is going to be minus 1. So this is the case when x is less than 0. X is equal to 0, என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? It is given that it is 0. X is greater than 0 na, it is going to take the value of plus x, correct? So this is going to be 1. So basically what is the idea? The idea is mod x is going to be minus x when x is less than 0 and plus x when x is greater than 0. So இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல இதை சால்வ் பண்றோம். Okay, you understand? So this is what we are using here and here to solve. Okay, clear? Okay, now. So what is the first condition that we are going to see? We are going to see three conditions. So c less than 0, the other is c equal to 0 and c greater than 0. இப்போ first c less than 0 பார்க்கலாம். These are the three cases that we have to see. We'll see these two later. So I have c less than 0. இப்போ c less than 0 க்கு what is my f of x? My f of x is going to take the value, what do you see? Minus x divided by x, which is minus 1. So what is my f of c? It is also minus 1. இப்போ f of c கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. What is my limit? Limit x tends to c of f of x is going to be limit x tends to, what is my c value? 0 of f of x and minus 1. So in the இடத்துல there is only minus 1. There is nothing inside the limit. So I'm going to take the minus 1 outside. Limit x tends to 0 of 1 is nothing but 1. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So இப்போ லிமிட்டும் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, f of c யும் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So I have f of c is minus 1 and the limit is also minus 1. So this is when c is less than 0. Similarly, we have to do for c greater than 0. இப்போ c greater than 0 க்கு condition என்ன? My f of x is again going to be x divided by x, which is 1. So my f of c is going to be 1. இப்போ f of c 1 na, what is my limit? Limit x tends to c of f of x is going to be limit x tends to 0 of f of x and 1. இப்போ 1 மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு, taking the 1 outside the limit and I have limit x tends to 0 of 1. So இப்போ 1 மட்டும் இருக்கு, so the final answer is going to be simply 1. So what do you see? இந்த இடத்துலையுமே the f of x value, f of c and the limit values are equal. You see that? Okay. Now for c equal to 0, what is the condition? I need to check my left hand limit and my right hand limit. இப்போ first f of c என்ன? What is my value? For f of c, the value is going to be 0. Now limit. So left hand limit என்னாகும்? Limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x. 0 minus na and x is less than 0. What is the value? Minus 1. So it is going to be limit x tends to 0 minus of minus 1 and this is going to be minus 1. What is my right hand limit? Right hand limit is going to be limit x tends to 0 plus of f of x. 0 plus na enna? The value when x is greater than 0. This condition, correct? So it is going to be 1. So I have limit x tends to 0 plus of 1, which is 1. But what do you see here? In the இடத்துல, when I highlight, you see that the value here is minus 1 and the value here is 1. You see that the left hand limit and the right hand limit are not equal. Left hand limit, right hand limit equal illana enna artham? The limit does not exist. So for c less than 0, the function is continuous. And for c greater than 0, the function is again continuous. But what happens at c equal to 0? It is not continuous. So என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? What is the point of discontinuity ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So what is it? X is equal to 0 is the point of discontinuity. Okay. Okay, so this is the answer. Please take a screenshot of this. Please take a screenshot. Okay, now moving on to 9th question. Screenshot eduthacha? Now moving on to 9th question. It is a very very similar question. So adhe mari question enna pannalam? So you have f of x is equal to two conditions. Ipo ingiyum mod x kuduthirukku. What is your mod x? It is going to take the value plus x when x is greater than 0 and minus x when x is less than 0. Okay, two similar conditions. How can I rewrite the question? F of x is equal to x divided by minus x, which is minus 1 when x is less than 0. Pona question mariye da. And 0 when x is equal to 0. It is not 0 in this case. It is minus 1. So it is going to be minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0. Apra x is greater than 0 kena kuduthirukku. It is given that it is minus 1 when x is greater than 0. Okay. So in the pona question la enna difference irundhudu? So what was given in the previous question? In the previous question, you had x is not equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. So two different conditions. One equal to 0, one not equal to 0. In this question, you see that it is given x is less than 0 core condition, x greater than or equal to 0 core condition kuduthirukku. So you can rewrite the question like this. It is very very simple. Okay. Ipo idu solve panna enna agum? First at c less than 0. So c less than 0 ku what is enna agum? F of c is going to be at less than 0. The value is minus 1. So f of c is minus 1. Ipo limit x tends to c of f of x is going to be limit x tends to c of f of x and minus 1. I'm going to take minus 1 outside the limit. What am I left with? Limit x tends to c of 1. This is nothing but minus 1. So inga enna theriyudhu? Indha edathila f of c is minus 1 and the limit also is minus 1. Okay, so at c less than 0, it is continuous. Okay, now what happens when c is greater than 0? C greater than 0 ku f of c is going to take the value minus 1. At greater than 0, the value is minus 1. You see here? Okay, at c greater than 0, minus 1. If limit enna agum? Limit x tends to c of f of x, which is going to be limit x tends to c of what is my f of x? It is going to be minus 1. So in that I am going to take the minus 1 outside the limit and I will be left with limit x tends to c oda value enna? In the case is 0. Okay, so basically I will substitute the value of 0 here. So everywhere. So in that 0, I have 1. Limit x tends to 0 of 1 is nothing but 1. So I have minus 1 again. So what do you see? I have f of c is minus 1 and the limit here is also minus 1. So this is continuous when c is greater than 0. Okay, now c equal to 0 case paakalama. Similarly, like the previous question, c equal to 0 na left hand limit paakano, right hand limit paakano. You have to look for both the cases. So first, what is my f of c? F of c at x is equal to 0 enna kuduthirukku? It is going to be minus 1. So I have minus 1. Now what is the limit? X tends to 0 plus of f of x. 0 plus na x greater than 0. So this is going to be limit x tends to 0 plus of minus 1. When I take it outside the limit, I will be left with minus 1. Ipo idu vandu left hand limit, sorry, right hand limit. Now left hand limit enna agum? Limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x, which is going to be limit x tends to 0 minus at x is equal x less than 0 enna irukku? X divided by minus x, which is minus 1. So again I have minus 1. Taking this outside the limit, I am left with minus 1. Super. Ipo indha edathila enna condition theriyudhu? I see that f of c is minus 1 and limit right hand limit is minus 1 and the left hand limit is also minus 1. So when all the three conditions are satisfied, I have limit x tends to c of f of x is equal to f of c, which means it is continuous. So according to the question, there is no point of discontinuity. It is continuous everywhere. Okay? Everywhere na enna artham? For all real numbers. It's continuous everywhere. Okay? This is capital R. This is how you represent real numbers. Correct? Please take a screenshot. Okay. Now moving on to question number 10. You need to find the point of discontinuity for the given function. Okay. So, ipo f of x kuduthirukku. What is my first case? Okay. So, you have to look for three different conditions, correct? When C is equal to 1, C less than 1 and C greater than 1. You have to look for three different conditions. If C equal to 1, you have two different conditions here, correct? You need to check both the left hand limit and the right hand limit. So, if left hand limit, let me see. So, left hand limit is going to be limit x tends to 1 minus of f of x, which is limit x tends to 1 minus. Now 1 minus ke na case x less than 0, so it is going to be this. So it is x square plus 1. When I substitute the value of 1, what happens? It becomes 1 square plus 1, 1 square and 1, 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this is my left hand limit. What happens to my right hand limit? Limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x, which is limit x tends to 1 plus ke na condition. You see it is x plus 1. So, what do I have? X plus 1. When I substitute the value of 1, I have 1 plus 1, which is also 2. So, I forgot to check what my f of c is. F of c and first f of x is going to be x plus 1. So, my f of c is going to be c plus 1. If c oda value 1, when I substitute the value of 1, I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So, what do you see? All the values are equal. Ingiun 2, Ingiun 2, Ingiun 2. So, I see that it is continuous at 1. Correct? So, continuous at x equals 1. Now, I need to check for c less than 1 and c greater than 1. So, if c less than 1 again a condition, c less than 1, I have x square plus 1. So, what is my f of c? C square plus 1. And I have limit x tends to c of f of x is going to be limit x tends to c of f of x and f of x order value is going to be x square plus 1. So, I have x square plus 1. When I substitute the value of c, I will have c square plus 1. So, here what do I see? The value here is also c square plus 1. The value here is also c square plus 1. So, it is continuous at c less than 1. So, continuous. If c greater than 1 again a condition, I have f of c is again x plus 1. This is my f of x. So, f of c is going to be c plus 1. And what is my limit? Limit x tends to c of f of x is going to be limit x tends to c of x plus 1, which is going to be c substitute panna, I will have c plus 1. Correct? C plus 1 irundhuduna, what do I see here? I see that here it is c plus 1 and here also it is c plus 1. So, it is continuous at c greater than 1. Inge continuous at c less than 1. So, the given function is continuous everywhere. Continuous for all real numbers. Okay. Please take a screenshot.